Dave Spielman's here with your forecast.
Yeah, we're looking at some pretty nice weather ahead for us, Mark. Tomorrow's going to be a beautiful day. If you enjoyed today, it'll be, I think, a little bit better tomorrow. I say better, maybe a little warmer temperatures. We're going to be hovering right around 70. Here's your overnight lows. We're going to be dropping it down into the 30s. So many of us going to be above the freezing mark. And look at the highs tomorrow. This is just going to be a beautiful day on your Friday. So if you have the opportunity maybe to take the day off, tomorrow would be a good day to do so because we're going to see some of those changes arriving in here by your Saturday. Here's Doña County, Mesilla at 30, White Sands at 27. Look at Hatch at 29 degrees, Sunland Park at 32, and your high temperatures for tomorrow will work their way into the upper 60s and lower 70s. Let's head out to our far eastern counties. Take a look at Hudson County, Culberson County. Your overnight lows a little colder, of course. Del City at 29, 28 in Van Horn. Sierra Blanca tomorrow. You folks will make it up to 61 degrees. We have 66 in Del City and 67 out there in Van Horn. Here's your weekend. The winds are up on your Saturday. Saturday morning, the winds will be out of the northeast. So primarily, we're talking about the west side of town, getting the brunt of the winds at about 35 miles per hour. I think that should be the peak winds that we see. 62 for your high on Sunday. Las Cruces for you, 54. And you folks as well will hit 62 degrees on Sunday with mainly sunny skies in your forecast. Some notable dates for you to kind of keep in mind. Daylight saving time, March 13th, second Sunday of the month, and spring begins on Sunday as well. That'll be on March 20th, so not too far away right now. 36 degrees to be the overnight low tomorrow. We're looking at a high of 69, so we'll be right around 70. Sunrise time at 6:52. Las Cruces for you. Overnight lows down to 31, so you'll be 1 degree below freezing. And your high temp tomorrow will climb to 67 degrees. Here's your forecast, 69. Then we take that bit of a drop by your Saturday, 56 degrees. We'll start off at 37, but the colder air will settle in here. The wind's not going to be an issue on Sunday. We got the El Paso Marathon. 30, though, a little cold in the morning. 62 will be the high temperatures, so we'll warm up very nicely by the afternoon hours. There's Valentine's Day, 68, 72, 63 on Wednesday. The winds pick up on Wednesday. We're talking about some fairly strong winds. Then we'll start to cool things down on Thursday. Coming up at ABC 7 at 5, we're going to take a look at our snowfall model. And it's interesting to see what the model's anticipating coming our way by late Thursday night.